Yeah, what is going on, my friend? You know what we're gonna do today? I saw a question asked by someone, a friend, a colleague, says, what is 1 2 3 pattern? Now, we want to make a video about it. First of all, we are the MT chart, USD JPY 1 hour. The 1 2 3 pattern works on different kind of time frames, but let us build 1 2 3 pattern and see what it looks like. Okay, here we got some kind of indicator like custom indicator, and we choose the pattern 1 2 3 indicator. Now I'm not gonna touch anything on the settings, and everything is gonna be just the way it is as default. Alright, this is 1 2 3 pattern as you can see it. Okay, so what this does is that it shows you pullbacks. Okay, pullbacks on the major trend and pullbacks on the micro trend, which helps you to make a decision of a good entry into the market. Look at here, the price have gone up. Okay, it's gone up, and all the way from this top is giving us a 1 2 3 pattern to make a decision to sell at 3, to sell at 3, to sell at 3. You see that? To sell at 3, and then started going down, giving you the 1 2 3, which stand as a pullback of, in this case, a micro trend and a pullback, giving us entry number 3 into the major moves, major trend. You see this? Okay, and this works in every time frame. It's not like what time frame is good or this or that. Okay, as long as you understand where is the market going or where is the price heading, it doesn't matter. The 1 2 3 pattern is just for a kind of a good entry decision, but you need to know where is the market going. All the way from here, the market going down. So what you do, you wait for your 1 2 3 setup, you get in at 3, and you ride into the trend and let it go. Okay, it gives you a good entry at 3. But all these levels, the price is heading up. So when the price is heading up, what do you want to look for? You look for 1 2 3 pattern that gives the up direction. This one, 1 2 3 pattern giving up direction. After a micro move, there was a pullback. 1 2 3. 3 is a good entry for you into this up trend. Look at this again. 3 is a good entry for you into this up trend. Here we have a 1 2 3 down pattern. Okay, it's not like the price is not going to go up, but we have a 1 2 3 down pattern on the price that is heading up. Okay, I don't advise to take that. You wait for the 1 2 3 pattern that looks like this, that will give you the up formation, and you get it. Okay, so that is exactly what 1 2 3 pattern will do for you. But then if we say, okay, let us go and insert a kind of let's say we want to insert a trend. Let's say in this case we insert a moving average, and we say is a kind of moving average. In this example, let's use 50. Let's use 50. Now you see the moving average, it's pointing up here. Then here you get the idea that you want to go wait until this moving average will start going down. Now you can see your 1 2 3 which you get to be selling along this moving average. 3 to sell along this moving average. But right here, your moving average now started going up. And then you see the 1, 2, 3 pattern you want to look for is the one that gives the moves along the direction of the moving average. 3 to buy at 3. Moving along the moving average to buy at 3. You see that? This is what the 1, 2, 3 patterns will do for you. Okay? But you can use any kind of settings for your 1, 2, 3 pattern. Depends on you. What kind of entry do you want to catch? I can say, okay, let me make this 25 and see what happens here. Okay, you see what happened when I change the settings to 25. We know that this trend line is going to go down. Okay, this is where the general idea of the forex market comes, because you need to have the idea of where is the price going before you use any indicator. Okay, it's going down all from here. Now we got these 3. 1, 2, 3. A nice pullback to enter at 3. And here we go down, man. To enter at 3. Here we go down, man. Okay, this is 1. We use 1 also to enter if it's a sell and going along the direction of the moving average. Here, 1, 2, a real major movement and a pullback to 3. We're getting, boom, we get out. And now the moving average starts bending to the upside. A moving average will bend to change direction. A moving average now start to bend to the upside. So what kind of 1, 2, 3 pattern do we now look for? Now we will look for a 1, 2, 3 pattern that brings a buy direction. 1, 2, 3. This is your entry to buy along the direction of this moving average to buy. Okay, then 1, 2, 3 to buy along the direction of this moving average. You see this? To buy along the direction of this moving average. So this is it, all about the 1, 2, 3 pattern. Okay, it shows you a good entry, okay, along the trend line. Okay, where 3 is your execution. 3 is where you take the action. You understand? 3 is where you take the action. You understand? And you know this 1, 2, 3 indicator, what it does for you. If you have the knowledge about the market, about where the price is going, here the moving average has traveled from down all the way to up. You know that, okay, this moving average will be going down. That's it. What you do, you either wait for your 1, 2, 3, or you look for this type of arrow. If you are scared or you're not sure about where the price is going, you wait for this type of arrow and you pen your order below this arrow, and you take advantage of the big moves. The moving average is bending now. It has traveled from all the way from up to down. Now what happens? The moving average will be heading up because it has come down. It will be heading up. So what do? We wait for 1, 2, 3 pattern for up formation. We get in at 3 and we are cool with it. And if we are not sure, if we are confused, you look at this arrow, you pen your order above that arrow and leave the price to continue doing what it's got to do. This is your 1, 2, 3 pattern. Okay, so like I said, is the knowledge of the market first. Okay, because whatever indicator, whatever you are using, everything works the same. Whether it's Fibonacci or whatever, all works the same. Whether it's support and resistance, all work the same. It only depends on what you want to use. What do you know about the forex market? Do you know when the trend is going up, or do you know when the trend is about to change. When you know all these things, then you can apply any indicator you like. But as for 1 2 3 pattern, this is exactly the way it works. Now let me see if I can show you on the daily, and let's see what it looks like on the daily. Okay, this is your 1 2 3 on the daily. As you can see that, okay, look at your tree. 1 2 3 daily is pointing up for you. So you see that here 1 2 3 daily is pointing down for you. Swing low, swing low, swing low. When daily has done a swing low, you go expect a swing. From this tree, there will be a swing high. See this? This is your 1 2 3. Let's check it out on the time frame of the 4 hour. Okay. 4 hour gave you a 1 2 3 of down, or the moving average has gone down. The moving average is going to go up. All we need to do about this 1 2 3 is to wait for this 4 hour to give us a up direction. 1 2, this is 1 2 3. Then we get in, we follow this moving average going up. Okay, so this is your 1 2 3, and this is how it works. Let's see the 1 minute. I don't do 1 minute. I don't do 1 minute trading though, but I just want to show you what it looks like on the 1 minute. Okay, now look at, people do say, does 1 minute strategy still works? Yes, it does. Depends on what kind of indicator are you using, and what is the knowledge you got about the forex market. This is the 1 2 3 of the 1 minute, telling you, okay, buy this. Okay, buy this one. Buy this leg 3. After all these moves, buy this leg 3. See how it shoot up on the 1 minute. Now you wait for another 1 2 3 to form. You buy, and it continues to go just like that. So I see the 1 2 3 as a perfect indicator with a good entry signal, and everything is cool. But still, depends on your knowledge about forex and where is the market going. Even if you doubt the 1 2 3 and you pen your order above this arrow, the worst it will do is to do this and go back. But then, because you know the trend, where is it going? It continues going up. You pen your order here, pen your order here, pen your order here, pen your order here. Look, it's gone. That's what I said. The 1 2 3 pattern, that is what it does for you. So, but use it with the trend anyway. So thank you very much. This is where I sign up. I hope you understand. Enjoy.